कोरोना दुयेंत विद्यार्थ्यांक जावचें न्ही म्हूण गोंयांतल्यो सगळ्यो शिक्षण संस्था 15 दीस बंद दवरपाचो आदेश दिवन मुखेलमंत्री सावंतान प्रसिद्धी घेतल्या. गोंयांत 20 तारखेच्यान विद्यार्थ्यांच्यो परीक्षा चालू जातले हें विद्यार्थ्यांकय आनी गोंयकारांकय खबर आसा. ही गजाल गोंय राज्याच्या मुखेलमंत्र्याक खबर ना अशेंच दिसता, अशें गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीचो सरचिटणीस आग्नेल फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा. मुखेलमंत्र्यान 30 मार्च मेरेन विद्यालयां बंद दवरपाचो आदेश कोणाक दिला आनी खंयचीं विद्यालयां 30 तारीख मेरेन बंद आसतलीं असो प्रश्नय गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन पणजेंत पत्रकार परिशद घेवन केला.
There is a circular by the government of Goa that schools should be closed. Now, they say schools should be closed, but exams will go on as usual. Every school in Goa have got exams from the 20th of this month till the 31st. So, in effect, what the government has done is holiday or quarantines from today, Monday, which is the 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 3 days. 20th, children are going to go to school again. So, when the government said that 15 days we are trying to stop everybody from congregating, you're giving them only 3 days. Exams are going to be on the 20th. Some exams are still going on. So, what is the sense in that? तुम्ही सांगता क्राउड करू नका आणि परत भुरग्यांक एग्जामीक हाडटा. देर इज ऑटोमॅटीक प्रमोशन अप टू द 8th standard. So where is the need for having exam, especially when there is a pandemic, outbreak of coronavirus? What is the need on having this exam? And today, although the schools have been shut, the teachers have been called to school. Now there is no work for the teachers. Teachers and staff have been called to the school by the Deputy Director of Education. They are sitting in a closed room, about 60, 70, 80 teachers and staff are sitting in the room. That is sure guaranteed way of creating a sickness where there is none. Because there is no work, they are all sitting in one room of theirs, doing nothing. So if anybody has got germs, that's the best way to infect everybody who is there in the school. So on one hand, you say that there should not be crowds, and on the other hand, you are actually getting people together to sit there in one classroom. If they were teaching, then they will be at different places. Because there is no work, there is no school, children in the school, you are making, so what is the sense? It is just giving lip service, so practicality is not there. When you say schools are shut, everybody should be off. There shouldn't be anybody in the school. Or at least if there is a few skeleton staff, they shouldn't be in one place. तुम्ही सगळ्या लोकांक हाडून एकेशन दवरता, एका रुमान दवरता. And in these times, it is something, I mean, it's really stupid of the government. And it is very confusing. तुम्ही स्कॉलां बंद म्हणटा, एक्झामी चालू म्हणटा, what is that? Exam चालू म्हणजे every student will have to be in school after 3 days. So what you are shutting down the school is only for 3 days, not for 15 days. And the lifespan of this coronavirus, I believe, is about 14 days. So at least 14 days, people should have been quarantined or self-isolated. So you are getting the people together. And it is only on paper that the government has said school are born, school born, but tinun this born. In effect, only for 3 days. And on the 4th day, there is going to be exams till the 31st. So practically, nothing has been shut. If you are shutting, actually, even the public transport should have been shut. But everything is on as usual. So by chance, we are lucky that we didn't have a positive case so far. By chance, if there are 1 or 2 cases or 3 cases, we will be bombarded with the coronavirus. The way we are going, I don't think the government is serious. I don't think the government knows what they are doing. If this is the way they are going to control coronavirus, even in school, they don't know what they are doing.